सीसीपीच्या चौकशी समितीक शारात 110 गाडे मेळ्ळे, मात लायसना दिल्ले ताचे परस कितलेशेच मायज. कांय गाडेकार एकाच गाड्याचेर दोन गाडे चलयतात.
Hand cards, most of the opposition corporators said that they got the report of the hand cards this morning. So they required time to study. And after deliberation, I said that we give them 15 days time. Meantime, the commissioner tomorrow will officially write to the ATO to go to this report, to go to the original files of the 60 GADAs and find out whether this report and the 60 GADAs files which are there, their documents are there. And that report he will give to commissioner and will bring within 15 days to corporation.
पणजेचे रस्ते महापालिकेक विचारी नासतना खणून घाल्यात म्हणून सीसीपी रिलायन्स जिओचेर कंप्लेन करपाची आसा.
In that illegal digging, commissioner has already typed the letter. The FIR is going to the police station against the company. He showed me the draft. I have agreed approved the draft. This evening, commissioner is filing the FIR against the company for illegally this thing. And my note is there. So that strengthens.
सीसीपी म्युनिसिपल एक्टात बदल करतले म्हणून सरकाराक रावल्या. हाचेर मार्केटाचो चडसो प्रश्न खंय सुट्टलो. महापौर म्हणटा मार्केटांतल्या पसरकारांकडच्यान आयुक्तान डॉक्युमेंट घेवचे, जांचे कडेन ना तांचेर कारवाय करची.
In market issue, the notices have been sent. Some notice hearings are going on. He is saying that in 6 months this will happen. I don't think this will happen for another 2 years. We have told the commissioner that if people don't come to sign, you should act. Unless you see a couple of shops, nobody will come. You have the initiative, government, the chief minister and the MLA of Panjim should step in.
महापालिकेन पालिकांचे कॉमन कॅडरात महापालिकेच्या स्टाफाकूय घेवचे म्हणून ठराव पास केला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.